So anyways, we put a V8 in this cocksucker, brought her up to fucking BIR, you know what I'm saying? You know, I pull up to the line, I'd have my Skeeter shades on at the time, drink, smoke in the hand, you know, look over at some fucking erasers sitting over there. I'm sitting over here, flip the glow plugs on. Yeah, what's up now, you fucking little rice burner? I'd be sitting there, fucking take my hat backwards, fucking sit on the mower, fucking everything's ready to go. Race feels good. Grab the fucking throttle, wait for that fucking light to go and just fucking boom, parachute out the fucking back, hit the Jake brake. Shit like that.
We should totally do that. I think good idea.